Hi guys, I'm making ice cream at home with Mummy. First, I poured 2 cups of cream in a bowl.
Is it all out? Try and pour it out. All out. Okay, now let's put 1 1/4 cup of home milk. Tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Let it go in. Go on. That's a lot. So we need 1/4. So can I see 1/4 cup now? That's a 1 cup. Now we need 1/4 cup. Is that 1/4 cup?
Yeah.
How do we know it's 1/4?
Because it's got 1/4.
1/4 is 1/4. Good girl. Now we're going to do 1/4. So we've put in 1 cup. Now we're putting 1/4 cup of milk. Pour it in.
That's not a lot.
That's not a lot because 1 is bigger than what?
The other.
1 is bigger than 1/4. So what are we doing now?
We're going to pour the sugar.
Go. Hold it up. Pour it. Granulated sugar is what we're pouring.
Stop.
We're going to put, no, it has to be full. Is it full? Give it a little shake. Give it a little shake. That's it. Is it full now? Now we're going to have 3. Is it 3 of these or 2? Let's pour it in. Granulated sugar. Tell me when to stop. When it's full. Full? Wow, that's a lot of sugar. Pour it in gently. Wow, that's a lot of sugar.
It's going under.
Yes, why is it going under?
Because it can't float.
Good, why? Because sugar is heavier, isn't it? Because the cream and the milk are liquid. And is sugar liquid? No, it's solid. Go JJ, mix. Go JJ, come on. Have you been eating your vegetables? You got strong arms? Let's see you mix. Whisk, 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 whisk. Go JJ, wow, look at those arms. Got strong arms.
There's 1,000 bubbles in it.
Yes, lots of bubbles. Wow.
It looks like a storm is taking away everything.
Right. Now you tired? Now we're going to pour some vanilla extract. What did I say it's called?
Vanilla extract.
Right, you want to pour it in? Whoa, that's a lot of vanilla. What did we just pour in?
Vanilla extract.
Good, now whisk. Good. Whisk, 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 whisk. Wow, does it look
like snow?
Yes, because it's not like sugar. Salt is more finer. So this is 1/4 teaspoon of fine salt. Okay. Uh-oh. Keep stirring.
It's a lot that's like going everywhere.
Yeah. Got lots of bowls in there. Lots of rainbow bowls. Is that your favourite one?
can't wait to eat it.
Yeah, it's going to be yummy.
Yeah.
What does it taste like? Yummy?
Yeah, it tastes like Coca-Cola. It tastes like milk and chocolate. It tastes like rainbow Coca-Cola.
Really?
Hi, Chen. It smells like chocolate.
Like chocolate? Does it look like chocolate?
No, it looks like powder.
Powder.
Can I
Coca. I don't think it will taste like chocolate because it's Coca. Ah. Right, now we're going to pour it in there.
Mix. Oh, a little bit. Mix. Oh, this is good.
Wow.
Until all the white.
It's going to be yummy, that one, isn't it?
But I hope it doesn't taste like powder.
No, it's going to taste like chocolate ice cream.
Can I taste it?
Not yet. Can I taste it now?
Yummy! It's so yummy.
No, look, cheese. Oh, all over your mouth. Uh-oh, messy.
Vanilla. Rainbow bowl.
Wow, they're changing colour. Wow. The ice cream is changing colour.
Chocolate. Now I'm going to put it in the freezer for 30 minutes.
Let's go.
I've just taken them out of the freezer. Let's check them. Wow, it's gone icy. Wow. Mummy and Daddy. Mom. Yummy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.